Think physics is just labs and equations. Think again, it's a one-way ticket to high-paying, versatile careers. Physics isn't just about blackboards, it's a career passport. If you like numbers and problem-solving, data science is a huge option for physics grads. Think statistics, modeling, and Python. Software engineering is another top path. Algorithms, complexity, and optimization. Analytics roles focused on business insights and decisions. Machine learning roles building predictive models and pipelines, turning data into forecasts. Coding roles that routinely pay well above average in tech companies, in startups. Your physics background translates to systems engineer roles and quantitative analyst positions, modeling and simulation, where starting pay often competes with engineering degrees. Move into finance and you can pivot to quant roles, stochastic models and Monte Carlo. Risk roles that can boost your salary even higher, stress testing and probability, prefer something more hands-on. Aerospace engineering uses physics to design aircraft and rockets, fluid dynamics and trajectories. Electrical engineering applies physics to circuits and systems, electromagnetism and signal processing. Mechanical engineering builds machines and solves real-world problems, thermodynamics and mechanics. These fields come with solid pay and clear ladders. For those drawn to healthcare, Pananin Jobots. Tinodin Banandes My Diet. Medical physics roles blending science with patient care, MRI, imaging and radiation safety. Radiological roles that offer strong pay and job security, treatment planning and calibration. Want to teach or do research? Academia can be slower on salary at first. Government labs, national research centers pay competitively and often include excellent benefits. Quick tips. Boost earnings by learning programming, Python, SQL, and version control. Get internships to gain industry experience. Consider applied graduate degrees or professional certifications. Networking matters. Reach out to alumni, attend industry events, and meet people. Show how you solve real problems. Bottom line, physics gives you flexible, high-earning options. Tech opportunities in software and data. Finance roles like quant and risk. Healthcare careers in medical physics and radiology. Engineering across aerospace, electrical, and mechanical. Plus, black holes, quantum levitation, and superconductors. Physics at its coolest. Pick a direction, skill up, and the paycheck will likely follow.